Finally, big breaking news is out. In this video, there is 5 off-campus bulk hiring, multiple roles, internships, full-time opportunity, graduate engineer trainee role, tech support role, tech non-tech both is eligible. Because in this video, I uploaded the 5 off-campus drives. बहुत सारी opportunities है. Please watch video till end. So don't skip a single second. Please watch video till end because there is multiple hirings, but many things you have to understand. Direct test hiring is also going on. So first of all, watch this video which I just uploaded 23 minutes ago. Go and apply for this hiring. So first hiring I want to tell you about Sanis IT Private Limited. First hiring I want to tell you about Sanis Private Limited, data engineer 3 to 6 LP Mumbai location. All branch and all degree is eligible, and if you are from 26 then NOC is compulsory. It means 26 is also eligible. BE Tech, ME, MCA, BCA, BSc or MSc all is eligible. Full time opportunity Python, SQL, Azure is eligible. So if you click on book your slot, you will see that there is a Pune center is there and multiple locations. Multiple date is there, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. You can easily give your or book your slot and give your own and give your direct test opportunity. So please apply for this hiring. Next big hiring, multiple position internship is going on. Urban company name is this Urban Harvest, Noida location is there. 6 to 9 months of an internship after PPO they will give you. But the thing is very big thing, don't skip this, that backend, mobile, web development, data and design all is eligible. It means tech, non-tech both is eligible in this hiring. If you are from BCom, BA, BBA, you can also apply. If you are from BE, BTech, BSc or BCA, you can also apply. So what you have to do, this is the HR referral email. You can easily give your updated resume on this email. And the thing is, if you are a part of an institute or manage a fresher placement, let's connect, because ये बहुत बड़ी hiring निकाली गई है, कोई normal hiring नहीं है. There is internships, so you can easily apply if you are a pursuing candidate plus graduate, but only 25, 26, 27 batch is eligible. So please apply for this opportunity as soon as possible. Next hiring coming from CG, and this is the graduate engineer trainee role. If you see that management trainee, sales, graduate engineer trainee, engineering and quality, this is the big hiring, 60% throughout academics, so no backlog is required. You can easily scan this to apply, but you have to understand 26 batch is only eligible. This is early career program of this company, which is CG Power Early Career. The thing is, there is 3 role. Like first is management trainee, sales, MBA, graduate engineer trainee, substance engineering, graduate engineer trainee, quality, assurance. But you have to keep in mind BE, BTech is eligible, but mechanical or electrical only eligible with 60% throughout academics. And the location you can also check. There is multiple location. You have to click on this link and you can check that there is a one Google form. You can easily fill this form. Already we discussed about this qualification criteria. Just scroll down and check, have you ever been placed by your college? Click on no if you are a fresher, and click on yes. Click on yes also in a relocation, and give any one location. Also proficiency in English, Hindi जिसमें भी है तुम्हारी वो दे दो. Expected final result also is there. Like if you are pursuing candidate, you are eligible basically, because अगर देखोगे only 26 eligible है. इसका मतलब ये है कि अपने को अभी यहाँ पे देना पड़ेगा expected pass out or expected joining month. So for which role you are applying, you have to give graduate engineer trainee or management trainee. So give very carefully and submit it as soon as possible. This is mass hiring for 2026 batch. Another mass hiring for 2026 batch. This is for ITCS, IT students, software engineer, urban. ऊबर की तरफ से आ रही है, जो कि 25 बैच इज एलिजिबल. बीटेक, डुअल डिग्री, कंप्यूटर साइंस, IT, इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल, ऑल ब्रांचेस इज एलिजिबल. एंड वन मोर थिंग, वन और मोर प्रोग्रामिंग इज कंपल्सरी प्लस इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स. इफ यू सी हियर वन थिंग, दैट फुल टाइम Bangalore लोकेशन इज देयर, एंड दिस इज द मेगा हायरिंग. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर 25 बैच is eligible, BTech is eligible. So hit the apply button as soon as possible. But before that, you have to update your resume. Update your resume as per required skills and please apply for this hiring. जितनी जल्दी अप्लाई करोगे उतनी जल्दी यहाँ से रिवर्ट बैक देखने मिलेगा, because this is direct full time, so you will get to see the 5, 6, 7 LPA easily, because you are a fresher and 25 graduate student. You can easily apply. Last but not the least, this is for non-tech student. Rivature just announced the big hiring voice support role. All interpersonal skill plus 24-25 with a minimum 50% throughout academics is compulsory. 3-year degree program is compulsory. Work from office and verbal communication is only compulsory. You have to scan this to apply, or you can easily click on this link also. This will give you redirect to you on the Ravager career page. You can easily click on new user and fill this form as soon as possible. Updated resume, updated photograph, passport size is compulsory. One more thing you have to keep in mind, you have to click on no अगर internship नहीं की है तो. If you have certificate, click on yes, and you can give your qualification. Disability, click on no. Highest qualification BTech, BSc, all is eligible. Basically tech, non-tech both is eligible in this hiring. Only this master or bachelor degree which is listed here, only this much eligible. ठीक है, इतने ही लोग eligible हैं. So what you have to do, just please apply for Ravager 25 batch software engineering. Uber official hiring announced. One more hiring, CG Power, already told you. Grad role, 3 role is there basically. So please apply it as soon as possible, and apply for Urban Harvest for multiple positions is there. Tech, non-tech both is eligible. Even 26-27 batch is eligible. And one more, again, direct test hiring. Please apply for these hirings, and please like this video, do subscribe my channel. One more thing, already uploaded the TCS registration, OTP or many more is there. You can easily go to the video section and check out, already uploaded many hirings. So please go and apply for these hirings. Don't miss a single opportunity. Don't stuck only in Accenture or TCS. Just apply for all these type of opportunities because they are currently sending the assessments mails. और कहाँ से किया जाएगा वो नहीं पता चलेगा. So please like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. और ये इनकी माँ का भोसड़ा.